Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled account on Gmail, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Gmail and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Gmail app. You can click here and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.